Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come on with a really quick card tutorial, and this card is using dimensional stickers from Dollar Tree. Um, I'm using glitter, double-sided tape, ink, and stamp for this card. As you guys can see, I'm working on some Mother's Day cards right now, and here's another one that I made using a really pretty die that I got from AliExpress a while back. Some thickers, ribbon, just really pretty. So both cards are 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 top folding cards. So we're going to recreate this card here. Okay, so first I'm taking a piece of white heavyweight cardstock, and I am going to go ahead and score. This is cut at 4 1/4 by 11. So I'm going to go ahead and score at 5 1/2. That'll give me my score mark so I know where the front and back of my card is. I'm not going to fold it up yet. And next, I am using regular double-sided tape, and I ordered this a while back on Amazon. And so I am going to create the background of the card using my double-sided tape. So I'm just going to take strips of the double-sided tape, and I'm going to start along the bottom of my card, and I'm going to go up with 3 strips of tape, and I'm putting the tape on diagonal, just three strips, and this is just to create the background for my card. All right. I don't know, got a little spot on there. Okay, so I'm going to lift it up, turn it over, and cut off those flaps from the double-sided tape on both sides. After I do this, I'm going to burnish the tape really well, and then we'll go to the next step on this card. Just really super simple, but really pretty card to recreate. So I'm just going to use my bone folder and really just get that all burnished down really good. I'm going to use my little pick tool, and I'm just going to take the backing off the tape. Pull that up like that, just like so. I'm going to take a piece of just scratch copy paper, put it down, and I'm going to take some glitter, and I'm using this, is it Sullen Extra Fine Glitter? This is Champagne Gold from Walmart. It's either Walmart or Michaels. And I'm taking a cap off, and I'm just going to pour it right across the double-sided tape. Just like that. I'm just going to knock off the excess, and boom, you have a background, a really pretty sparkly background for your card. I'm just going to take this paper with the excess glitter and put it back in my little jar. And I really hope the light isn't washing it out too much. Maybe I could cut it. Let's see what will happen if I cut it off here. I don't know if that's going to be too dark for you guys. Let's see. Can you see that? So that's our background. Okay. And next, we are just going to choose which dimensional sticker we want to use for our card. And since I've already used this one for this card, that sticker set from Dollar Tree, it came with 4 large dimensional butterflies. So these are all very pretty. So I think for this one, I want to go with this butterfly here. And these have like this sticky foam on the back. I'm going to take that off. And I am going to use double-sided sticky adhesive and place that on the back instead, because I don't want it to be super dimensional like the little foam. It would have stuck up too much for my liking. So I just ran out of this. This was my last little piece. So I'm going to grab some more of that. Here we go. Grab some more of that. And I'm going to add another piece. Hopefully it's not too far off. And add a small piece in the middle. All right. And I'm just going to take the backing off the double-sided tape. Like that. And let's see here. How do I want? And I'm just going to place my butterfly right over my glitter and push down really, really well. And then next, I want to place just a small piece of the double-sided foam right up under the wing of one side of the wing. So I'm just going to cut a little piece off and stick it right there. I don't want both of the wings to adhere down. I just want one side. So see, we have this now. Really pretty. So in this corner is where I am going to use to stamp the sentiment. You could also stamp a sentiment here, or you can type a sentiment and put a sentiment strip on here. However you want to do it. You can save this area for some Nuvo drops or some gems. So I am going to take my black ink. Let me just wipe this off. Alright, so I'm just going to take my VersaFine black ink, and I already have this stamp mounted on my block, and this is from, let me see, which stamp set am I using? Okay, this is from a stamp set by Simon Says Stamp, and this one was called Mom's Clematis. The flowers, and the word mother will look fine in this corner as well. You can use mother, mom, mama, but I already have mama mounted up on my my stamping blocks, so I am going to use that. Just a really fast, just think, if you're just doing this, you're not talking, you're not worrying about filming, this card will go really fast for you. So I'm just going to place this on a diagonal just to follow the strips that are already on the background. Press really hard, straight down, pull it up, and there you go. And then once this dries, I can fold this down and have a top folding card just like this. Just make sure it is even at the bottom, and grab your bone folder and just give it a good press, and there you go. A really beautiful Mother's Day card, and this 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch card is great if you want to turn this into a gift card holder. I do have a die by Simon Says Stamp that will create a couple of notches that you can die cut inside of the card and place a gift card in there. You can or you can stamp a really beautiful sentiment in there for your mom. But just a really quick, fast, easy card, just showing you how you can utilize those pretty stickers from Dollar Tree. Anyways, that is it for this video, guys. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, click the link below to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.